Hey guys, a while ago I did a Jones soda taste test video, and for some reason it got like thousands of views, which I think maybe because I got hiccups. But somebody in the comments said I should try the watermelon flavor Jones soda, which isn't really anything unique, but I could never find it. So I finally found it. So I'm gonna try it. And I think it's maybe just you guys want to see me have hiccups again, but we'll see if I get hiccups. I'll probably be fine. Ooh, but wow, that smells delicious. This smells delicious. Smells like straight up watermelon, yum. Whoa! Ooh-hoo! Wow, that is good. This is really good. No hiccups. Sorry to disappoint everyone, but this is really refreshing and it tastes really good. Anyway, this is perfect for summer because it's refreshing and it's watermelon, so go try some. It's really good. Oh, there, get a hiccup. Just one. I think I'm okay. I normally don't burp that much, but I'm burping with this. Remember there used to be like a way to make yourself burp? Gross. I was never good at burping. Go try that, it's good. I don't really drink carbonated stuff too often, so it's the burps. Okay, see you later.